In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully create a Yahoo account after encountering sign-up issues. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow in order to increase your chances of a successful sign-up. First, it's important to be patient and wait for about 12 to 24 hours after you initially face troubles registering. This waiting period helps to avoid any temporary lockouts that may happen when too many unsuccessful attempts are made in a short span of time. Understandably, this feels like an inconvenience, but it's a necessary step to ensure the process goes smoothly when you try again. While you're waiting, you can take a few proactive measures to prepare for your next attempt. Start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes old data stored in your browser can interfere with new actions you're trying to take, so wiping the slate clean helps optimize the page loading process and reduces the chance of experiencing technical glitches. Once you've taken care of that, consider trying to create the account using a different browser or device. This step can sometimes resolve compatibility issues that might be causing problems with the sign-up process on your current setup. For many users, a different browser or device provides the fresh starting point needed to get past previous errors. When you start the sign-up process again, make sure that all the information you enter is complete and accurate. Double-check the spelling of your name, make sure your date of birth is correct, and ensure your phone number is entered properly. Even small errors can lead to the rejection of your application, so attention to detail is key here. Next, focus on creating a strong password. Yahoo has specific requirements for password security to help protect your account. Choose a password that is not only unique, but also complex enough to meet these standards, typically involving a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This step not only ensures compliance, but also offers an additional layer of security for your personal information. A critical tip to remember is to refrain from using a VPN or proxy during the sign-up process. These can mask your location and might trigger Yahoo's security protocols, causing the sign-up to fail. By connecting directly through your regular internet connection, you reduce the risk of these security obstacles. After you've taken all these precautions and waited the necessary time, try signing up again. With everything set up correctly, you should find that the process goes through more smoothly this time around. By following these guidelines step by step, you increase your likelihood of a seamless experience in creating your Yahoo account. Thank you for watching, and good luck.